dry sun hat. It's really lightweight and it's breathable for sure. And it's got it's 90% made out of 90% nylon and 10% spandex, and it has a lot of adjustment on the back. So even like I have a big head and it fits me comfortably, and even has room if I have my hair longer. It just fits really nice and fits my head. It's perfect for golfing with it, hiking, fishing, working out, anything like that. And it breathes very well, and it's water repellent, and it's got sun protection also, so it'll protect your head, especially if you have a bald head, and it protects you from the sun, cancers and stuff like that. Overall, it's definitely a nice breathable lightweight hat where it's not going to really bother you and still give you the protection you need. So if you do a bunch of outdoor stuff, hiking, fishing, anything like that, being on a boat all day, anything like that, I would highly recommend to get one of these.